Well, holy! The SBA has finally opened the EIDL program loans up to the full $2 million loan. Well, at least for some. Not for others. Some of you will be seeing this option, some will not. So what is the status, and is there anything you can do about this, or have we all just been shafted once again? Will we ever get the $10,000 that were promised to all small businesses a year and a half ago? All this and more in today's video. Hello and welcome to Stephen Carlson Show. I'm Stephen Carlson. I'm a tech entrepreneur, real estate investor, author, YouTuber, paramedic, and Bonnie just left the studio. I guess she doesn't want to hear about the SBA. Anyways, as you guessed it, here's the spot in the video where I usually ask you guys to comment down below, hashtag Team Idol, share the video, etc., and demand someone in DC finally get off their ass and do something to help our small businesses. And I've said this before, but as small business owners, we have the responsibility for our business. We cannot just sit around and wait for DC to fix things. We need to focus on what we can do collectively to improve our business, rather than waiting on those idiots in DC to finally provide some stimulus. Also, my regulars, you guys will already know that I am organizing a massive nationwide small business awareness campaign to bring more attention to all of your small businesses. I've covered this in great detail in other videos, so I'm not going to bore everybody here with all the details. But basic summary, myself and a handful of other amazing YouTubers will fly to all of the lower 48 states in a helicopter, landing at small businesses nationwide. We will interview business owners across the country, both on this channel and for an upcoming book on small business success stories. There are still a few spots left if you want us to land the helicopter at your office or maybe nearby for a quick media appearance and photo shoot. I've said it before, but trust me, local TV and news stations love filming helicopters landing at events. Now, even if we can't land at your location because of logistics or whatever, we can still hand out your marketing material to other businesses that we land at nationwide. Jump over to the website www.open4.business and register your business today. Okay, enough of that, let's get to today's video. Speak and See has great coverage where he broke the news last night.
Had a big W for small businesses yesterday, getting this finally getting that $2 million cap out there. No longer the 500,000, but now it's the 2 million, and I am just so excited.
We've been hearing this for months now. Every few days there's more rumors and speculation coming out that it'll happen on such and such day, or this day, or that day. And the day comes and passes and nope, nada. But today, finally, well, actually yesterday, but now finally it has been released. As many of you know, the original CARES Act was authorized loans of up to $2 million for small businesses impacted by the pandemic. Of course, you needed to be able to demonstrate the ability to repay the loan, and this was based upon your business sales. So somebody that sells just $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 worth of Etsy stuff every month definitely was not going to get a $2 million loan. But some larger small businesses, this program was designed specifically for you. Sadly, the SBA decided to just make up their own rules, and they started capping the loans basically from day one. And they kind of did it in a haphazard, random way. For example, my business, we were approved for $265,000. Yet a friend of mine that does probably a tenth of the business that we do was approved for $327,000, so more than us. So I don't exactly know what the SBA was using to calculate these loans in the very beginning. It did kind of seem random. Then within a few weeks, very quickly, they capped the loans at a hard $150,000. Then about 6 months ago, they opened that cap and brought it up to $500,000. And for some businesses, they were able to get that. My business, well, we were shafted. And for whatever reason, they continue to deny us and will not give us the full $500,000. We've been talking with our senators, we've been working with different things, getting this stuff back and forth. I don't know, they just keep delaying it, and they won't give us any valid reason. They're probably just pissed off at me because of this YouTube channel. Now, finally, that $500,000 cap has been removed as well, so you can try for the full amount. You should go log into your SBA portal where you may see a slider offering you an increase to $2 million. May is the key word, as it's not there for everyone. As you can see, mine. It says that we were funded, no other options. You can also see that we were denied for the EIDL advance and the targeted EIDL advance, even though our business is located within the SBA's low-income community map. So this whole thing's a mess.
Congratulations to all of you out there who have gotten this approval today and are seeing good signs for your future in your businesses as far as moving forward in your SBA EIDL grant. in loans. So we're going to continue working on that, getting that policy map removed. That is the next major step in our game, is getting that policy map removed. Remember, they weren't expecting the EIDL grants to begin with. We ended up getting $40 billion placed into the budget for the 10K EIDL grants, and we were happy to see $3 billion of EIDL grants did go out to people that were in the low income area. And you know what? That might not have even happened had it not been for channels like this and Jason McElhone out there throwing a fit and calling Congress and the senators and getting that deal done in the last package. So we know how to get it done. We've gotten it done before, and we're going to get it done again. And hopefully we can get all these loans forgiven. I don't know if we'll be able to get the whole, if people are going after $2 million loans, I don't know about getting a $2 million loan forgiven. That's a tough one. But I do agree with what McElhone said in one of his videos. He said if the $10,000 or $5,000 does not get put into the next package, I believe we can see that taken off of the loans that you have gotten in the future, saying, hey, here's $15,000 to go towards it. Consider that part of the grant. And, 15 grand is 15 grand. And we will, we'll take what we can get in this pandemic right now, because God bless each and every one of you. All of this has happened to your businesses. You've gone down. It's no fault of your own. And we are hardworking small businesses, the backbone of America. I don't just say that.
I still feel that complete forgiveness of the EIDL program loans will never happen. Simply put, small business owners were not the importance to the current political climate. But I agree here that we might see the $10,000 or maybe that $15,000 forgiven from our loans if we never receive the advance grant money. From my perspective, and I think others would probably agree with this, why should a business have to pay back the full loan amount if they were denied the grant? Yet others were able to get the grant, and why were they able to get it but not us? So I think that we'll probably see some sort of forgiveness in that realm, and that's about it. Either way, that would still be nice. What is the status of your EIDL loan? Did you ever get the $10,000 or the $5,000 supplemental? Do you plan on applying for the $2 million loan increase? Why or why not? Comment down below and let me know. Also, please don't forget to check out www.open4.business and register your business today. That way we can get your location locked into our flight plan before it's too late. These spots are very limited, so make sure you go to the website and get yourself registered today. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you click like and subscribe, share this video, get it out everywhere, get the attention on this program and on this new campaign that I am working on. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one.